Hey everyone, how are you doing? I am coming on today to invite anyone that loves Christmas in July to join me on the 27th of July, which is a Friday, to put up a video of one of your DIYs. I will be doing Christmas in July DIYs throughout July, probably 2 or 3, maybe 4. But on the 27th, I will be keeping one to join everybody else on that day to show a DIY that I'm doing for Christmas. So again, this is open to any YouTube creator. If you're interested, just leave me a message down below from this video and join me on the 27th of July, Friday, July 27th. And show people what you're doing for your Christmas in July, what you're creating, what kind of DIY, okay? All right, guys, and remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. See you soon, guys. Bye.